What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about what is going on with the stock market and how we can kind of prepare ourselves and just strategies we can use going into the next week, because it's going to be, honestly, it's going to be a week where we just won't really know what we're about to get into until it happens. And, with that being said, I just want to kind of give myself the ability to have some kind of foresight and some kind of strategy so that any situation that comes my way, I'll be able to handle. Now, with that being said, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy on the internet. These are my opinions, so please don't sue me. This is in no way financial advice. Also, if you haven't done so, hit the like button because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would really appreciate that. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join the party. With that being said, let's get into it. So guys, last week was a bloody mess. Literally a bloody mess. I mean, if you look at this is pretty much a good representation of what we were dealing with. And I'm surprised that the NASDAQ is green right now, but to be honest, it really shouldn't be. I mean, everything was pretty much, it was so far down, it was actually past the basement. We went down into the sewers with the rest of the crap. And, we pretty much got humbled last week. And I think that everyone was unsuspecting of it. But to be honest, I was expecting a correction sometime this year. I wasn't expecting it in February. But I positioned myself to be able to come out somewhat unscathed. Honestly, I used this time to fill out my positions, my long positions specifically, and some of the plays that I'm in. So, I put money into companies like Tesla, and I expended out at AG&C, and I put money in TMDI and IDEX, and I really just started pushing my positions through the roof because the buying opportunity was just something I couldn't pass up. I expanded pretty much almost every stock that I have and just laid money into them as much as possible so I can get the positions back, to where I want them to be, and honestly just average down and just get way more shares, because I know that we're going to have a turnaround soon, and I want to talk about some of the positive catalysts that we have coming up that we can look forward to, okay? And some of them you may be aware of, and other ones you may not be aware of. So I'm going to go over these different catalysts and explain why I think they're going to be beneficial, right? So, number one, guys, big one, stimulus bill. Stimulus bill has been sent from the House to the Senate. It will probably be reworked a little bit because I know there's some stuff in there that the Republicans might necessarily not want. So they may send that back to the House, but I expect sometime in March, the first stimulus checks will probably be arriving. And when there's stimulus, there's often a stock market boom. So that is something to be excited about. Also, Johnson & Johnson have already announced that they have a new vaccine. So another vaccine that can be pushed out, and more manufacturing is being done. There's more vaccine to help people get back to normal. And the vaccine news is always good news in the stock market because it helps drive stocks, right? So there's that. And then one other one that I think not a lot of people realize, it's tax season, people. Tax refunds will be going out. And when people get their tax refunds and they don't have anything else that they need to buy, they will probably invest. So 3 really big catalysts there that can turn this whole thing around really quick. And I kind of see us in the middle of, a buying opportunity that really, I just don't think will last too long. So I'm going to make every effort I can now to get my positions filled out as much as possible. So when this thing does turn around, I will make way more profit off of it than I would if I don't touch anything. So guys, this is a perfect opportunity for us, right? Think of this as an opportunity. Don't panic. This isn't a time to sell. If you sell, you're just lighting your money on fire. And guys, if there's one thing you know from watching my channel, we do not sell when we're in the negative at all, right? We don't become bag holders in the first place. We don't chase stocks. So we don't go after stocks that are on the rise. If they're flying up the charts, we don't touch them, right? But we also make sure that we sell before bad things happen, right? So we don't burn our money. Once we're down, if we're down 100%, I'm not losing my money. I'm not burning it. I'm going to let that ride because eventually I'm going to get my money back, okay? It's paper money until you sell it. So right now, use this time as an opportunity to expand your positions, right? Fill out your positions even more. The more shares, the better. The lower the price, the better. If you can get that average price down, that's going to make your portfolio shine. And guys, I don't see an opportunity like this coming back anytime soon. This is the perfect time for that. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I will be back this next week. I needed to take some days off because I had to remind myself that sometimes the best thing you can do is not to do anything at all, right? And it helps you clear your mind and get your game right. And that's what I did these last 2 days, and that's really why I haven't been posting too much. But don't be discouraged. I will be posting videos again here shortly, and we are going to ride through this thing together, and we're going to come out better and bigger than we were when we entered. So with that being said, I am going to hop off for the night. I hope you are all doing well. I will do one more video probably sometime tomorrow, possibly in the evening, West Coast time, just to kind of plan out the week. And I will see you guys in that video. Hope you're doing well. Have a good one. Take care of yourselves, and peace.